got the H3 in the background. The Tesla's over there. We are in the Danger Ranger 570, a new addition to the channel. And we're working on the Jeep. We made it.
All right.
You were a little nervous there, weren't you?
I thought you were trying to hit it.
I couldn't remember if this had a brush guard on it or not.
Yeah, it does.
Does it? Oh, we're good then. I just want you guys to know the last time we worked on the Jeep, there were leaves on the trees. And it was warm out. So it's been a little bit. Yeah, I know I haven't uploaded anything hardly. So at least not anything interesting. Just about a stupid electric car one time. But now we're back to the Jeep. We're going to at least start working on it. If it starts, that'll be a miracle. Mostly because it's a Chrysler. Also probably because the battery's dead. All right, Big Lance, go ahead, buddy. See if she...
No.
Nothing. Not even a little bit, right?
Nope.
Okay.
Gauges flickered.
No way.
Yeah, they did.
Oh my goodness, today's gonna be great. I'm gonna go Jeep style here with this thing.
Good. Yep. Oh, that's nice.
No, one smart thing that Jeep did. There's so few.
Red to red?
Yeah, red to black.
That was good.
All right. Got lots of lights in here. There she goes. Did we fix the shifter cable? I honestly cannot remember. We did, right? Okay. Now, I don't remember exactly where we were the last time that I made a video on the Jeep here. We did get this paved. Otherwise, we have made the garage more of a mess. We have not fixed anything. We fixed no cars. We are more poor. And it's now winter and freezing outside. Does that sound about right?
Perfect update.
Yeah, that's where it is. I mean, look at this. Oh, we got a forklift. Does the forklift run? Kind of. It has a cracked block, but it does run. Other things that have changed, F350 is gone, the red one. The skid loader is gone. That's why there's a forklift. We might get another skid loader at some point, but not today. Not today. Lance busted the trailer fender just the other day because he thought he could push it with the Hummer. At the front of the Jeep, you can tell that the frame is bent, mostly because the bumper is over there and it's supposed to be over here. And the fenders are over there and they're supposed to be over here. The radiator was cracked. We got a new one of those. We actually got a whole stack of parts over here. Most importantly, though, where we got to start is the frame. And we were able to find a junked section, or whatever you want to say, front clip of the frame. But it's going to take us a little bit of work here because we got to cut all this section off so we can slide this in to that one. So I guess these guys are just on this side. Yeah, these guys are going to be a little bit annoying to get around. We are not welders, as you guys know, and we're going to just try our best. I got the tripod set up here, guys, and Lance has informed me that he has the best plan in all of history done. So. He said it is the Build Back Better plan, I believe, is what which is known as one of the best plans around. So he's I wouldn't this is his version of it.
Yeah. No, but hear me out. What if I slice like right down through here?
Okay.
You know.
Yeah, down through. I like
it.
Okay.
Take this face off. Same thing to take that face off. And then these ones will peel out.
Do you want me to get a screwdriver just to jam down in like this one here?
When we get to there.
This one's still welded a little bit along.
Yeah. But like we'll take the two ends off first.
Okay. Do it. All right. You are a little bit, but I'm gonna move her over.
That's what I was concerned.
So, for you guys that are more experienced than us, with plasma cutters, we do have a plasma cutter, but we were talking about like how do you keep it from not going the whole way through the inside that we don't want to cut? Is there a way? Because obviously that would be the easiest thing. So if somebody has a suggestion on how they do that, that would be good. Fast forward a little bit. I didn't show all the cutting and everything that we did here, but Lance and I double teamed grinding on this bad boy, so she's ready to slide in. We got all the surfaces nice and good to go. Oh, a little bit right there I got to do. But pretty much she's ready to go. We notched that for the steering box there because it's not going to make a difference. It's not attached to the inside anyway, so that'll just make it easier for it to slide in. And I think we're about ready to start working on the Jeep. Now that we got the frame all cleaned up, or our new section of frame, we got to start working on the old one. We did get pretty much everything out of the way here. That wasn't too much interesting in that, but because we'd already disassembled most of it here. And then we're just gonna cut. We are somewhat afraid that that frame rail is pushed over. We don't think this one is, but it may bend back as we release this, or it's cut off. We don't really know. If not, we're going to be very exact and get, like, I don't know, like an old an old yardstick out and measure it with whatever those guys. Those go by, like, what, quarter inch?
Cubits.
Yeah, cubits. Yeah, like 6 cubits off. That seems like too much.
Oh, I meant furlong.
So, yeah, we're just going to start cutting. And are we going to do in 2 cuts, you think?
I'm going to cut this little round tube out first.
Okay.
Because I want to get this line out of the way.
Okay.
And then I'm going to cut the tip off.
All right. Good luck. Is that a Diablo blade you're starting with there?
I am. Some tension on that.
She has tension on her. Wow. The truth is here. Now that we got our, cuts off that made just access better here, pretty much just going to try to go down as straight as possible. Oh my goodness, you look like a professional. Yeah, your inside does look really nice.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah.
It looked like it was staying where it shouldn't.
Yeah. Yeah, this side's a little bit off. Sorry to the camera. I promise the inside does look good. I made you look real unprofessional on the other side. Yeah, that looks nice.
I feel like that's gonna zing out and hit me in the face. But...
Well, it might, but that's a price I'm willing to pay.
Yeah, you're willing to sacrifice that one?
Yeah.
There we go. Inside.
Looks good, man. Good job on the cutting.
Yeah, well, I kind of got a little bit out of whack here.
Don't show that. We just won't show that.
But the rest of this, yeah.
Like, if you ever sell this, we just won't tell anybody about that.
So we're going to fill that with welds. So.
Yeah. Or seam sealer. That should be good enough.
I see, I got it here, too.
Nah, it's cool. We didn't see it. Yeah. Don't. We got everything cleaned up here. We killed a Milwaukee Impact. This guy right here. It's our original one, first one we bought. It is like one of the... it's older now, but it was one of the 1,200 foot-pounds or whatever, the good ones. And it works, but it's making some weird sounds, and it would not take the lugs off of this, so we killed that. This is just a cheapy Milwaukee. It's one of the, I don't know how many, but it's not one of the high-torque ones. And then we switched over to the DeWalt, and it took the lugs off. But that's the first Milwaukee one we've killed. So we are going to now test fit the front clip here and see how far off the frame is.
Okay, no, so that's what I was thinking. I need to be on top of that.
Oh, this needs to be down.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay. So it goes up and around. Okay. That's something like that. Okay. So you're pretty much...
Oh, no. Okay.
Yeah.
I thought you were in.
No.
I was super excited for a second.
So we're a little bit off. It's my side is off. Lance's is going in right now, but we think it is the passenger side frame rail. It's just a little bit. I mean, honestly, if you...
Almost.
Yeah. So we're going to have to do something to get that frame rail over this way a little bit. But it's really close. We just can't slide directly in. It's like 1/8 of an inch. The black truck used to be the frame puller, if you guys recall. That was a year or two ago. Now, I guess today, it's going to be the H3 with the winch.
How heavy is that?
Oh, light.
Okay.
Wouldn't even worry about it.
Okay.
I'll only cry 3 or 4 times while moving it.
Want that pin out?
Yeah.
Oh, no cotter in it. Okay.
Now, this is my custom winch mount, by the way, which I still have not drilled the proper hole in this guy because you don't even need this extender, but I don't think we're going to be taxing it enough today.
What you want to do is if the hole is almost lined up, stick your finger in it to help it, and then shove in.
Yeah, just use
the old
finger as the guide.
Yeah, the old personal guillotine.
Yeah. And this is my ratchet.
That does work. It is the thing I do oftentimes on like marine batteries.
Tight, like a tiger. I'm not a big glove guy, but I'm also not a big freeze my fingers off if I don't have to guy, and it is winter in Pennsylvania and a lot of other places. So.
Okay.
All right. Now, what was your idea for the...
Well, first things first, I don't think we should cost ourselves a good winch line. So we're going to just hook up to something else.
Okay.
Okay?
I want to say that this is all Lance's idea of how to do this. So if it goes great, I'm good with giving him the credit. If it goes real bad,
Good with giving him the credit.
good with giving him the credit. I don't think I'm going to be able to get out when I get it.
We'll see.
Did you see me at all? One sec. All right, a little more. All right, hold it there. Hold it there. Stop. Push it hard. Let it drift back. Okay. We're good. So the thought is, board keeps the Hummer in the right place, also keeps this frame rail in the right place, this side, because we don't think this one is bent. If you look at them, this one over here just has ever so slightly. I mean, this is how close we are. Like, it is extremely close, but it is ever so slightly bent from what we can tell, or just tweaked. Bent's not even the right word. And if we wrap this guy around and go back to the Hummer, it should, theoretically, pull just this side, keep this side straight, and then we can hopefully slide this guy in. That's the thought. And it shouldn't take that much, really.
Yeah, let's just see what it does here. Okay. Now. Okay. Go ahead and just give her a little. I'm going to use kind of, this is my comparison.
Also watch the jack stands because we're pulling. I mean, if
it slides.
It shouldn't, but it could kick out this
All
way, I
right.
guess.
Go ahead. Give her a little. Okay. A little more. A little more.
Or tight there.
That's really right there. It will go in.
Okay. That's all needed.
But I would be a fan of
so we're torquing her a little bit more.
torquing it a little more and getting
All right.
some of the extra distance out of it. Give her one more click. One more. One more. And then again. All right, let's hold it there.
All right. Pressure coming off. Let's see how much she moves.
That was a fair amount.
All right. Well, it is loose right now. Do you want to put that guy up against there?
Nope, it went away.
Went right back. Okay.
Okay, so we are going to have to do it while it's under pressure.
All right. Second round. Here we go.
It's just going to fall in. Oh, in. Watch this. A little more?
I think you went the other way.
Oh, maybe.
I think we went a little too tight.
All right. Yeah.
Okay. And now this hammer.
No, it's probably sledgehammer.
Sledgehammer time. Keep going on that one.
You think?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, now you can come over. It was just way further out.
Now, you want to be happy? Go look what I did with the strap.
Ah, nice. We're too far in. Well, yeah, we're too far in.
Okay.
So she
You
can
can
come
see
back
that
out.
there?
Yep. I'd hit from down below, yeah. Or out here.
Yeah.
Here.
I got it.
Okay. Alright, hold her about there. That's gonna be just go a little bit more. But I mean the other side's gonna move it too.
Yeah. Let me do the other side.
Oh, this one can go way in.
Oh, it needs to go in still?
Yeah.
Ooh. Wait, how do you know that?
Well, because I can see the holes.
What holes?
I can see your notches.
Oh, you spent notches. Yeah, it does need to go in. Crazy. All right.
That's got to be getting close. I don't know if it's right, but it's got to be getting close. I'm gonna throw a tack weld while we still got this tightened up here right on the top because we got this guy pretty close. It might need to go down just a little bit. Lance has an idea, another idea that I think is not going to work as well. And that is his, well, I think it's going to do something, is his Temu $19.37 welder.
All right.
You going to run a big extension cord for that guy?
Okay. I don't know.
Sounded better than I kind of thought. Okay. Well, guys, if we finish welding with that guy rather than a real welder, just don't tell anybody. If everybody's good with that, we can all just keep that a secret, and it'll be fine.
Doesn't look terrible. I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not really sure what a good weld is either.
I'm gonna hit down on this
and see what happens. Okay.
See, number one, if it breaks, and number two, if I can get it to go down at all.
Oh yeah. Hold, stop.
Broke?
Actually, you can go up a little bit.
Oh, okay.
All right, hold. Oh, that's about it. Yeah, she's like dead on right there. You check it yourself, but just to see if you're happy with that. But
yeah, I think that's a very consistent.
The weld did not break, which is.
I thought it flexed, but maybe
it did. I mean, it had to, but it might have been I don't see it breaking.
I don't know how to weld.
I don't know either. So here's where we're going to leave it for today. Just tack welded. We'll get it properly welded, get everything fit up, and then we can really start the reassembly. Kind of excited. So next video on the Jeep, we should have her back up and running. Well, we appreciate you guys following along. I know it was way too long of a gap in between this video and the last Jeep video. Hopefully the next one is not that long, but it is winter and we don't have a warm garage to work in because we have been lazy. So that's just what it is. But I do appreciate you guys following along. Not going anywhere. Going to try to get out of videos as much as I can, which is not a whole lot. So I do have a couple that are semi-edited, semi-together. I'm going to try to get those out as well. But otherwise, we're just chilling. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back